Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G85 and today I'll show you how you can boot this phone into safe mode. So to get started, hold your power button. It looks like we need to hold power button and volume up. Power button, volume up, because power button doesn't do power button things anymore. Anyway, once you have your boot options visible after holding power button and volume up, you want to now hold power off. This then changes into reboot to safe mode. We're going to confirm it by selecting OK and give it a moment. Once the device boots back up, it will automatically boot into safe mode. And as you can see now, the device is back on. We have a marking right here stating that we are in safe mode. And additionally, in a moment, you should see a couple of things not working in here. So widgets will not work, and pre-install applications that you have installed yourself will also be disabled. And as you can see, they will look like this, semi-transparent. And when you try to open them up, it gives you a pop-up that downloaded apps are disabled in safe mode. And there's a couple more on the second page. Now, once you're done with this mode and you want to go back to the normal one, hold your power button and volume up once more, and this time around all you need to do is just select restart. When the device boots back up, it will automatically go into the normal mode. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.